So everyone, today we have a competition. We have team A and they are supporting female teacher. They believe that a female teacher can teach very well. And now we have the team B and they believe that a male teacher can teach very well. So I'm very excited to know that which team is going to win. Let me know, are you ready to speak, team A?
Yes, sir.
You think that the female teachers are good, right?
Yes, sir.
Wow. And team B, are you ready to speak?
Yes, sir.
Wow, you're looking very excited. Okay, so you think that the female teachers are best? Oh, male teachers are best?
Yes, sir.
Wow, that's great.
Apart from that, you are saying that male teachers can handle the class by their strictness. I think that strictness cannot, handling class is not about strictness. It is about how we handle the class, how we maintain the discipline. It is not about strictness. It is about politeness, how we talk to everyone and how we support everyone. It is not about strictness. As you are saying that when we are in this class, so sir, as she said, so I'm just debating for that you are completely wrong. I don't believe in when we are here and to attend the class, we should be silent in every class. When female teachers are teaching us, we should be silent at that time also. So you cannot say that a male teacher is only able to keep us
Okay,
silent.
now is it right that the male teacher are a little bit dominating and the female teacher, they understand properly to their students and they do not beat and all? Let's know what he's going to say. Yes.
Sir, I think that male teachers can handle class better than female teachers because male teachers are little bit strict by which they can maintain the discipline of class and that children will also listen to male teachers. Sir, she said that by politeness we can maintain discipline, but by politeness students misuse the teacher.
Yeah, student take the teacher for granted.
Yes.
Student take the teacher for granted. He's saying that. Yes, what do you think, Sania?
I don't believe that students take teacher for granted. If somebody is polite, so students must understand that the teacher is being polite with me. I should understand to that teacher. I have seen in my life that male teachers, they almost, beat the students. Like in my life, I have seen one of our school teacher, he beated a student and he was having kind of some scratches on his body because of the dominance of that male teacher.
Okay, let's talk about in terms of teaching. Who teaches well? Obviously, we accept that the male teacher are strict. But in terms of teaching, who teaches well? Male or female? Let's know. Desh janna chahta hai. Nation wants to know. Yes.
I think that male teacher teach better than female teacher. Just because you think about that time when female teacher is talking about the household thing, like how her neighbor talked to her and how her he got us emotionally and
You mean the female teacher? She keep talking about her family's issue in this school?
Yes, sir.
She doesn't teach.
Yes, sir.
Point to be noted. Opponent. Yeah. Okay.
I totally disagree with you because if we are talking about a female teacher, but in female teacher they talk about their housewife, their house, because but they are in example they don't talk about their house all time. They teaches some example about it.
Okay. They just she's saying that they recite some examples. Okay.
As she said that they told that about their household works. No, it's not like that. They told their experiences, what they had faced, that you may not face that experiences.
Okay. Let's know what she's going to say. Bacha Party group.
But sir, the female teachers are very talkative. They talk between the class.
This is the question actually, that who are very talkative during the class, who does not teach and speak much. It is the male teacher or female teacher. No, it's a point. It's a point actually. Yes.
Sir, they maintain the class according that they have taught, then they should get a joke or something so that the student's mind will be refreshed.
And that is why they talk.
Yes.
to make the students feel comfortable in the class.
Yes, sir. So they will be refreshed, then they can study or they can focus on the studies more.
Okay. To connect with the students, sometimes they
Yes,
share
sir.
some kind of examples of their own personal life. Okay. She has a point. We accept it. We accept it. Yeah.
Sir, I disagree with her. They don't share anything about their houses. I mean, I've seen in many cases male teachers are more open to their students than even female teachers. They talk very openly, and that is a major reason why students take male teachers for granted, and they just don't focus and they just lack discipline in the classes. While in female teachers, when female teacher teaches, everyone is silent and listens to her. So that is why it lacks.
Okay. She has a point. She has a point. Now, let's know what other students are going to say. Yes.
I disagree with you because I have seen many of the male teachers. They are strict, and they are strict because they want to make the silence
Okay,
in the class.
let's remove this point and talk about who are very funny. Who makes you laugh during the class? Now you are frustrated, you are overburdened with your studies, you are suffering from anxiety. So who makes you feel comfortable and who makes you laugh? It is male teacher or the female teacher. Yes.
Sir, I think that female teacher make the fun and waste their time and not let the students study.
Female teacher.
Yes, sir.
They simply keep wasting the time
Yes,
of these
sir.
students. Desh janna chahta hai. She's saying something. Yeah, from behind. Yes.
Sir, she is making the fun in the class so that the students get connected to teacher. So what you are talking that the teacher is talkative. So don't you think she's understand the situation of the student in the class when he or she didn't do homework in the class, or she take holiday in the class, she understand the situation of the student. But a male teacher's always be strict and he never understand the situation of.
Yes, and she's saying something. Yes. Yeah, please.
Sir, I think that female teachers are more friendly. Like they create an environment when the students can learn easily.
Okay, let's talk about for girls. Is it right that for girls, the female teacher are better? How? Is it right that girls can feel comfortable with female teacher?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, everyone, let's conclude this topic. Okay, is it right that we can discriminate education on the basis of gender?
No, sir.
We have the examples of many great teachers who have been female and they have been great. At the same time, we have the example of many male teachers. They have been great. Your teaching skills can never be measured on the basis of your gender. It is your own skill, it is your own talent that you use it while teaching. You cannot say that that particular gender is good at this particular work. So we cannot compare our teachers on the basis of gender. If a female teacher is teaching, so she must be wasting the time? No. If a male teacher is teaching, he must be very strict? No. It depends person to person. You got it? So we cannot compare with these things, but we were actually discussing about this topic, and that is why we create this controversy. And I'm very happy that you spoke your valuable points. A good clapping for all, everyone.